So yeah, there's our two trades from yesterday. So I wonder what's going to transpire today. Had 3 good days. So I wonder if the law of averages is going to kick in at some point. We'll see how we go, but again, business as usual. Nothing changes. We do the exact same thing over and over again. And hopefully I can keep the winning streak going. Trying to build this account as best I can. So around the 8,100 area. 8,103 at this point. We'll see if it pushes a bit lower. I may look at this area just for a first touch bar. Maybe a quick scalp. See if it gets down there a little bit more. Little bit more, little bit more. Little bit more. Come on. I think I'll go normal position size on this. A little bit more. Come on. Just a little. Come on. Yeah. Go, go, go. No. Be looking at a first bar negative trade in this area anyway, so if I can get in a little bit earlier. No. Okay. DAX pushing into this little bit of resistance, maybe turn support. Come on, push just a little bit further down. I think I'm being a bit picky here, but I'd like for it to push just a little bit more. Still got a minute and 20 seconds left of this candle. It's a possibility that it pushes just a bit further down into this area here. 8,090 odd area. Before I get in. There we go, there we go, there we go. A little bit more, a little bit more. I'm going to try and buy it here for a quick scalp. I'm going to buy it here. Just for a quick scalp. Stop loss to there. I'll sell it up there. Just a quick scalp. What was that? Like 3 points. 2.9 points. Just a quick scalp on a first touch. If we get a first bar negative, which I think we're definitely going to have, so we're going to look at around 8,091 for an entry. There it goes. We're going to trade that. Okay, we're in. Trail loss, get our stop loss to about 20 points. Then we can pretty much almost get it to break even already. There's 10 points. Okay, so that's first bar negative. Stop us at break even. Now we can chill a little bit. See how far we can get it to go. That'll be 9 points. I think if we get back up to around this area, I might look to take profit. But let's see. I'm going to break even trade, so if we get stopped out now, no big deal. What's the DAX doing? DAX pushing lower, which doesn't bode well for this trade. The DAX is pushing lower. Kind of DAX has to cooperate with us a little bit. I think we'll be taken out for break even on this one. Let's get the stop loss to a point. No, won't do it. Okay, too close. Yeah, so DAX is breaking down a little bit more. Probably back down into this area. Okay, we've been stopped out. Well, that's unlucky, and now it's going to go the opposite way. Not loving the short side, but I think we're going to get triggered now into that short position. I'm just looking at some structure over here. We're kind of caught between 2 points of structure in the current signals. I've just got a sneaky suspicion we're going to bounce around between those 2 points. I think we're going to be short very soon. Just something in my brain is telling me that it's going to turn and go the other way. Okay, so we're short. So we can get rid of that. And let's see if we can get our stop down to break even. So we got triggered right on the close of that 5 minute. So we get 10 or so points. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. And then let it do what it wants to do if it allows us. If it gets to that point to allow us to get our stop loss down, but at the moment I'm just teetering around where our entry point was. So let's let it do its thing. I'm going to have a sip of tea. Oh, there we go. There's a nice little break. 5 points. Yeah, I'm looking at this over here. You might see a turnaround here and test the other end. Try and get this to stop loss a little bit sooner because the structure I'm not liking here is 8 points. Let's get it to break even. And we're probably already going to be taken out for break even. That was a quick touch and reverse there. I think this is a break even trade. Yeah. Not yet. if we get it. Yeah, so it's just touching this level here and bouncing. I don't know if we're going to get a break below that right now before it takes out my stop. See what we get. Break even, I believe. Yeah. Wow. It was a big pullback. Looks like we might get triggered. Okay, triggered. So I'll remove the sell side and see if we can get to break even. I'm not crazy about this position. I just have a feeling. But we're in it, so all we can do now is manage it. There's 5 points, 6 points. I want to see at least 10 points. There's 10 points. Stop to break even. And I'm gonna. No. See how quickly we move our stop to break even, and it comes back on us. Okay, let's see. Risk-free now. Want to look kind of this level here to take profits if it does manage to push up to there. I think that'll be a good level to look at. If it does manage, again, I think somewhat premature on the moving of the stop loss, but again, I'm facing quite a bit of risk, so I want to get it into break even as quickly as possible. It's a 60 point stop loss that that starts out as, and that's $30 on an $800 account. It's a fair amount of risk, so I think we're going to be taken for break even here. Come on, DAX, let's push. $14 I don't think it's going to get up to here. Not now. We've still got a bit of life left in this candle, so we're battling at this area. Let's just see what's going on with the FTSE. Okay. Yep, break even. Darn it. Do we take it on a second attempt? With this just being a bit of a pullback. break below this low here, and then turn around, or do we continue back down to these lows? I like to see these consecutive higher lows and then a break below one of those for a long entry. You see price just break this low. Sometimes has the tendency to then turn around. Let's see. Looks like we might be taken back into this trade. I like it even less now, actually. Okay, we're back in. I like it even less. I don't typically re-enter. If I'm taken out for break even on the first attempt, I usually leave it, but I think feeling a bit weird today. Again, let's see if we can get our stop to break even. Yeah, I don't like this entry. Especially that. It's like a little pump and dump. No, I really don't like this. Whew. That movement. No, can't do it. Can't do it. Come on, I want it up at break even. I don't like this trade. There we go. Oh, okay. I'm not feeling it today. I really am not feeling it. And we lost on that one as well. My goodness, what is going on? Like, is that not taking us to break even? Pretty sure it showed +1 point. Not liking this. I'm gonna have to watch that back because I'm pretty sure that that stop loss said +1 point. Yeah, I don't know, I might like this long. Do I take it? Do I take it? I want to. I really want to. Yeah, I think I should have. Okay, let's not be hasty. Let's just wait for this minute. want to be long. I want to be long. I want to be long. Gotta wait for this candle. Okay, what does brunch break tell us? Should have been long. Gonna take that. No, can't take it. Oh, heavens above. No, can't take it. Darn. Gonna do that. Oh, good grief. Don't know about that one. Okay. Again, try and get our stop loss up to break even. It's a fair amount of risk. There's 10 points. Just give it a second. Let's get it up. Okay, now I want to make sure. Right, so plus 1.4 points on the stop loss. There's a nice break. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want to see. I'm going to still look up at this area. If we manage to get there. Right now, 23 points. Twenty-one, 23. Kind of want to take that. Just secure a decent win. Let's let it go for a bit longer. I might just trail the stop loss a little bit more. Get at least 7 points out of it. 25, 26. Yeah, 27. Let's just see. I want to look over here. I don't know if we're going to get there though. 28.30. I think I'm happy with 30 points. 25, 23, 24. Now it's pulling back a little bit. Let's wait for another push if we do get one. No, pulling back. There we go. There's a push. 25, 26, 27. 26. Come on, a little bit more. I'm going to take it there. Okay. We got something out of the session. Right, no open orders. 28.6. 28.6 on that one. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I was looking for that break. I would have liked to have kept it around a little bit longer, but I kind of want to be in and out at this point. My psychology isn't, I don't feel, is doing very well at the moment. It's been a weird session. A very weird session. Okay, but basically that takes us to $892. Good, good. Nice little push there out of it. So the question I'm asking myself here is, are we running stops before we break lower? Let's see the behavior of the next candle. Right, so the tally for today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades taken. Two that were supposed to be break even but ended up still losing a little bit. I'm definitely going to play this trade back, because I could have sworn that my stop was at least a point in profit when the market turned around. Maybe the market turned around so quickly, maybe I hadn't moved the stop quick enough. But I'm definitely going to run that one back and see what happened there, because I could have sworn I was in at least 1 point's worth of stop loss profit. Was it this one or was it this one? I think it was this one actually. I don't know. I'll have to see it in the playback. All right. So this is the next candle. Interested to see what it does. right, so a little bit of follow through. Not surpassing the previous candle's high at this point, so okay, well, I think I'm going to end it there. It's been over 2 hours. I've got a little bit of editing now to do. Just going to edit the trades that I took, put them into a video so that I can revert to them nice and quickly and easily.